Okay guys, happy bonfire night!
What?
I don't know if it's now the next one. So we just, okay, we got two at once.
Go.
Right guys, happy bonfire night, see you all guys.
Yeah.